Here we come to another service elevator at one main building at downtown Houston, Texas. There is someone playing the piano literally right next to this elevator, so I'm gonna have to get in quick because I don't want to get a copyright. This elevator has not been modded yet. I don't know what brand this elevator is. But bad news is the passenger elevator on this side had already been modified.
First floor.
10. I'm not going to end the video from where I start on the third floor because
Going down.
there is a student playing piano and it's loud enough that I can't even drown the music out. Anyways, we're going to end the video on the 10th floor and I'll show you the passenger elevator, but the good news is the cabs are still original. I can't believe they're already starting to modernize the elevators here. All right, let's go to 10.
First floor. Going up.
I really like these fixtures. Look at the number engraving onto them. Look at this. I really like these fixtures. See, look at these buttons. I don't know if the button will go out if we reach the top floor, but look at this, see? Look at that. Watch this. See if they will all go out. Yep, they do. I really love the numbers on the buttons. They usually most of these innovation fixtures have like these usual dot in the middle.
Going down.
Alright, we're gonna end here and I'm gonna show you the passenger elevator. This elevator is the same exact elevator since 10 years ago. All right. We'll do a quick ride on the passenger elevator, but unfortunately, it sadly have been modernized. It used to be a ThyssenKrupp elevator, which unfortunately during my first take, unfortunately I had to use my phone to record it out of my camera that one time, if I don't remember correctly. Here we come to another set of elevators at the downtown college. Interesting fixtures. Very unique innovation bruiser buttons. These might be ThyssenKrupp as well. Yep, it's a ThyssenKrupp as well. This might be a ThyssenKrupp as well. Oh my gosh, the door and door code is all the way low. 10. Get a cabbie now. Only 12 people can ride this elevator, maximum only 12 people. Get off at 3. Whoa! Death trap.
Going down.
So this elevator's already been modernized, and thankfully there's at least one original service elevator that you saw in the previous video, I think. This has definitely been modernized. But good news is the cabs are still original. There's the UH downtown logo. And I'm not sure, I don't know what brand this used to be before ThyssenKrupp did their first modernization and until it was modernized recently. See, the cabs are still original, of course, but sadly, they got modernized. It sadly got modernized.
Floor 1. Going up.
You going up?
Going up.
What floor?
3rd.
You're welcome. All right, have a great day.
Thanks, you too.
Floor
You're welcome.
3. Going up.
Oh, what do you know? I don't hear the piano anymore. See, this is the other side of the building. Kind of shakes now.
Floor 10. Going down.
See if the other elevator car works, but the other one on the opposite side of the building is now in the process. But thankfully, one of the service elevators is still original ThyssenKrupp. And just like that ThyssenKrupp service elevator, these are the elevators of what used to have the same exact ThyssenKrupp vandal resistant impulse fixtures. I think I hear people on it, so. Oh, there's no one in it. Similar cab like the other one. I'm just gonna write down the 2 and get off. I'm not gonna take more than one ride on this because it's nothing special. Actually, no. It's on 3rd floor. Dude, why do I keep forgetting? If there is piano playing not far from these elevators, I'm gonna go ahead and stop my camera here.
Going down.
Oh good, it's quiet. You see, these elevators have just recently been modernized. And like I said, I think this is their second modernization. The first mod, I don't know what elevator, what brand this originally was, but all I know, it was modernized by ThyssenKrupp at one point about a decade ago, and until this time, I don't know who modernizes, but this was definitely modernized recently. And the service elevator that you saw in my previous videos that I filmed on the other side, they originally had the same exact vandal resistant fixtures, just like on these elevators. So, anyways. The view, unfortunately, is not as good as the one on the other side, as you can barely see the tracks for the Houston Metro Rail light rail train. So, anyways, that'll be it. Thanks for watching.